Let's face it, a full English breakfast is ace. It's the perfect way to start your day. But who has loads of time on busy mornings? Not to worry. You can have a proper fry-up ready in just 10 minutes. Are you up for the challenge? Let's get cracking. Before we start cooking, let's round up the troops. A well-prepared kitchen is the first step to a successful breakfast blitz. Eggs 2 per person is a good rule. They are versatile and can be cooked in many ways, from scrambled to poached. Bacon, smoky and crispy, just the way we like it. It adds a savory crunch to your breakfast plate. Sausages, go for your favorite kind. Whether you prefer pork, chicken or veggie, sausages are a hearty addition. Baked beans, a spoonful of sunshine on your plate. They are rich in flavor and pair well with almost everything. Bread for your toast, of course. Choose whole grain for a healthier option or white bread for a classic taste. Tomatoes grilled or fried, your choice. They add a fresh and juicy element to your breakfast. Butter for your toast and maybe for frying. It adds richness and flavor to your dishes. Oil, a little drizzle for the pan. It helps in cooking and adds a subtle flavor. Salt and pepper to taste, obviously. These essential seasonings bring out the best in your ingredients. Get that grill going. The first step to a delicious breakfast is to fire up your grill. Make sure it's clean and ready to go. A well-prepared grill is the secret to perfectly cooked bacon and sausages. Crank up your grill to high. This will ensure that it reaches the right temperature quickly. A hot grill is essential for that crispy, smoky flavor we all love in our bacon. Pop the bacon on a baking sheet and slide it under the grill. Make sure the bacon slices are evenly spaced so they cook uniformly. This way you'll get that perfect balance of crispy edges and tender centers. Keep a close eye on it. Bacon cooks fast. It can go from perfect to burnt in seconds, so stay vigilant. The sizzling sound is your cue that it's cooking just right. Pan power. While the bacon is sizzling, heat a drizzle of oil in a pan over medium heat. This will be for your sausages. Medium heat ensures they cook through without burning on the outside. Add your sausages to the pan and cook them through. Turn them occasionally to get an even browning. Sausages should be golden brown and cooked all the way through for the best flavor. Beans, the musical fruit. Baked beans are a classic addition to any hearty breakfast. They add a sweet and savory element that complements the other components perfectly. Pour your baked beans into a small saucepan and heat them gently. Stir occasionally to prevent them from sticking. Toast time. While the beans are heating, you can start on your toast. Pop your bread in the toaster. Choose your preferred level of toastiness, whether you like it lightly, golden or dark and crispy, it's all up to you. Excellent addition. Now for the eggs. Fry them to your liking, sunny side up, over easy, or scrambled, you choose. Eggs are versatile and can be cooked in many ways to suit your taste. Tomatoes time. Slice your tomatoes in half. Fresh tomatoes add a burst of color and flavor to your breakfast. They're also a great source of vitamins. Once the sausages are done, toss the tomatoes in the pan and cook until they're soft. This will enhance their natural sweetness and make them a delicious addition to your plate. Assemble and devour. By now, everything should be ready. Your bacon should be crispy, sausages golden brown, beans heated through and toast perfectly toasted. Butter your toast, plate up your breakfast and tuck in. Enjoy the fruits of your labor with a hearty, delicious meal. Bon appetit! Prep the night before. Save time by grilling your bacon the night before. This simple step can make your morning routine much smoother. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly grilled bacon without the hassle of cooking it from scratch. Just warm it up in the microwave or a low oven when you're ready to eat. This way you can enjoy crispy, delicious bacon in no time. Plus, it frees up your stove for other breakfast items. Use pre-cooked sausages. Speed up the process even more by using pre-cooked sausages. These are a lifesaver on busy mornings. They come in various flavors, so you can mix and match to keep things interesting. Simply heat them through in the pan. It takes just a few minutes and you'll have perfectly cooked sausages ready to go. Multitasking is key. While things are cooking, wipe down any spills and wash a few dishes. This keeps your kitchen tidy and makes cleanup a breeze. That way you can relax and enjoy your breakfast with a clean kitchen. A tidy space makes for a more enjoyable meal and a stress-free start to your day. There you have it, a delicious full English breakfast made in minutes. From crispy bacon to savory sausages, you've got everything you need for a hearty meal. Give it a go and don't forget to snap a pic of your masterpiece. Share your creation with the world using #Jamie's Ministry of Food, #10 Minute Breakfast Blitz. Enjoy your quick and easy breakfast.